Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jerobus and this is Make Money with Video. In today's video we're going to look at how you can make or create printables. Yeah, so how to create printables. More importantly, printables that sell. Now if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jay. I upload videos about how to make money with printables, how to create printables, KDP publishing on Amazon, and I also show videos of how to make money with video on various different social media. So if you want to check them out, feel free. It's only a small channel, so I appreciate the support. But let's get into today's video, guys. So I'm going to be using, we're going to be looking at, look at these. These are printables. Basically, a printable is a document. It's an A4, like PDF that someone downloads, or it could be any different file, but you download it basically, you print it off on your printer and you use it. Yeah, that's called a printable. Yeah, so this particular printable is in the baby shower niche. Yeah, and this is the crossword, and as you can see, it's just a plain crossword. It's got a nice border around it and a bumblebee. Yeah, and it's made over $3,000, yeah, guys, over $3,000 just on that one printable. Yeah, so if you come over to Etsy, I've just typed in, I've looked for one. Yeah, so this is a word search. Yeah, I know that one was a crossword, but this is a word search, and look at all them sales there, guys. Yeah, 99,155. Selling at £2.53. So you do the maths on that, guys. Just imagine how much they've made. Now, this is a simple one, yeah. It's just a word search, yeah. And then a title and a bit of a picture. And look, guys, people are loving it. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Yeah, baby shower, baby shower, baby shower. Not got 4, but liked it, yeah. So I'm going to show you how you can make this, but let's have another look on Etsy. Now, if you type in baby shower games, yeah, you're going to see that it's a big niche, 165,000. Yeah, so you don't want to do that. If you look at baby shower games printable, that drops it a lot, but it's still a big number. Yeah, 15,000. Yeah, so if we niche down, so baby shower girls games for girl, yeah, or just girl, it's 610 a month, which is good. Yeah, same with the boys one. Yeah, baby shower games boys 690. These are the better ones. Yeah, or you can do this baby shower games woodland. Put a woodland picture in. Yeah, baby shower games bundle. Now that's the one I like. A bundle, guys. Now, if we come over to this, no. Yeah, this is called Crispy Prints. It got released the day by a guy called Ike, and he's really good, guys. I'll show you, but if you do manage to come and have a look at it, if you look, it shows you case studies. It shows you how to find your niche, background image creation. Then if you want to upload it to Etsy, it shows you how to make mock-ups. It shows you how to publish the guides. Yeah, and also it shows you how to set up an e-com site if you're want to go down that route, and how to sell on Pinterest, yeah, as amongst other things, guys. So feel free to come and check it out, but we're going to jump in and we're going to go to the shower bundle, guys. Yeah, so come here. It's got 3 steps. Yeah, so what you can do, you can get these, yeah, and then go over to Canva. Yeah, put these in. So you've got to get a background image, yeah. So what you do, what I've done, no, 1 minute. Yeah, you come here, and then I downloaded the background temps, yeah. And then I come over to Canva, and I've uploaded it. So I've to save time, guys, I've uploaded it. So this is your template. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to find. This is what I do, yeah. Do it so that it covers the inside, and you'll see why in a minute, guys. Leave that there for now. I've made a blank page. So let's look for I don't know if I'll find it. Baby boy background, yeah. Not sure it will. We just need a background. What's going to? Oh look, this one, yeah. What I'll do is I'm just going to turn off. I'm just going to keep it all free, yeah, guys. And we need a background. So if we go to graphics, no, let's go to all. That's easier, yeah. We're just looking for a background, yeah. I mean, for the sake of this video, let's just get off this. We will we'll colour it, yeah. We'll just choose a normal, just a blue, yeah, a generic blue. I like blue. I'm gonna have it more royal blue. I mean, it's a bit bright, but let's have it, yeah. And what I'll do, copy this, paste it on there. We'll change this to white, yeah. Nice blue and white. Let's get rid of that. We don't need it anymore. We need sorry, we needed that there, yeah. No, we don't need that. Let's find. Let's have a boy. In fact, let's have a baby boy. We'll put these in, so we'll get the free ones. We'll get graphics. We'll just have him, yeah. No. You don't really have to take too long, do it, guys? We'll have this little dude here, yeah, and shrink him a bit. Make sure he fits in this box. Make him a bit bigger. I think I might flip him as well, yeah. Let's flip him, yeah. That looks better. I'm just going to copy it, and then I'll paste it on here. Look, he's set up there, guys. So I'm just going to download this now, yeah. So page 3, let's download it. Clear all them. We don't want them all. Just number 3. Download it. Yep, already downloaded. Now let's go back to this crispy prints, and then let's upload our image, guys. So there it is. Let's upload it. Yeah, and it's asking for our like text color, our header color. So we'll have it as black. Yeah, nice black writing on there. Now let's see if we can find it. It was a crossword, wasn't it? Yeah. So he's made a lot of money with crossword. So yeah. So we can print that out, yeah. Let's just create. Oh, wait a minute. If you want to download the answer keys, you click here and download it. But we'll just create the bundle now. Now you leave this on for now. It should only take a couple of, well, not long at all, a couple of seconds, yeah. While we're waiting for this. Oh, it's done. See, didn't take long at all. So here you are, guys. We've got our baby shower crossword set out like that, the one we just looked at. And look, your little baby boy there. Yeah. So what you do here, you download that. Then you come over to Etsy. Yeah. And then you'd upload it. Oh, this is a search word, but don't worry about that. Yeah, and then you'd upload it to your channel, and you can write, make some extra stuff. Yeah, and that's all it is, guys. Make a bit of a description, and there you go. But let me show you this. When we search for baby shower games boy, 690. So we've got our baby shower boy. That we can put it in this one, this category. Yeah, one of our keywords. But if you look at this one here, this is the one I like. Let's click on it. And it's going to show bundles. So a lot of these are getting sold. I'm going to show you something here, guys. Back over on Crispy Prints, yeah. Instead of just clicking the one there, let's click them all. So we've got them all there. Then press Create Bundle. let it do its magic, and then we will have bundles like this. So this is better because even though you can make money with one individual one, yeah, it's all well and good. We can also, so that's that one, we can get rid of that one now, yeah. We can also upload each individual one, but as a bundle. So you can have your bundle for sale, yeah, that's one. Then you've got 14 games what are in that bundle where you can sell separately. So that means you'll have 15 like items for sale, yeah. But people are going to see the bundle and they're going to want that because they're getting more in the bundle, yeah. Again, look at all these. This is a good niche to be in, guys. If you this one into, yeah, it's a really good niche to be in. Now this can, it says it can take no longer than 4 minutes. Every time I've created one of these, I think it's been done in like between 30 and 60 seconds. But yeah, let's have a look. Let me just show you something as well, guys. Yeah, so I just want to show you that I have bought, this is my, I'm just going to refresh the page so you know it's my, yeah, look, there's my name, JR. And here, I've bought Crispy Prints, yeah. It's on offer at the moment for the $37, yeah. I've bought it. I bought the upsells as well, guys, to get other things. But look, I'm using this software, so I'm not just trying to tell you it's great when it might not be. I'm using it and it is great. That's why I'm sharing it. I don't share anything that I don't believe in. I'm sorry, guys, I'm just waffling on a bit now, waiting for this. I suppose we can go back on Etsy and have a look at some more, get some ideas. This is a good place, guys, to come and get some ideas for your next lot. Now, look, they've got 10 games, yeah, and they're selling for £9.18. They've sold 2,378. Do you know? Yeah, so you can again £12.41, yeah, £9. And do you know what I mean, guys? It's a lot of money. Oh, here's done, right? Yeah, it's a lot of money. But they get this, they're selling, so jump on it. And it's do its thing, and then it'll be here. So look, now we've got a word search, sorry. Yeah, our little baby's on there. They're the words you can find. Again, it's printed out our crossword. Then what's in your phone? Yeah, a good game for adults. Baby story, Mad Libs, where you put like parts of these in. Baby I've Never. And look, it's created all these different games. It's put our little boy on it where it could fit it. Yeah. And then you download it. I'll download it for the sake of this video. So it's downloaded. You yeah, you come off it. But then what you do is don't forget your answer sheets, because they're going to want that, guys. And look, all your answer sheets are here, already made into a little PDF for you. Download that. Then you would upload it, guys, onto your Etsy. Now, if you was part of yesterday, if you've seen yesterday's video, you'll see I created these for the Christmas printables. This is what I sell, guys, Christmas printables, and I downloaded a bundle of them. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, look here, 14 printables. Yeah, so I've uploaded them here. I've also uploaded them here, but I've added some extra stuff of my own to it, so it makes it. So I've got 2 bundles up with the similar kind of stuff. Yeah, and so it works. So if you want to check that video out, it's here, guys. It's how to create printables. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I know it went on a little bit longer, but I wanted to show you step by step how to make a printables, that sell. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed this movie. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and comment in the box below. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.